village today house the most rich treasure and also served as a spiritual retreat of the monks of ancient and medieval India. Ajanta and Ellora house the most exquisite paintings, frescoes, sculptures, architecture made by architects and engineers of old. The 30 caves at Ajanta are embedded in a horseshoe-shaped bend of a basalt hill surrounding the river Waghur. The walls of the caves are a storybook narrating the life of the Buddha through detailed and evocative paintings. The ceilings too are adorned with decorative mandalas or slices of ancient life that give us a glimpse into the past. Some show the melting pot that Ajanta once was, a Persian couple, a Chinese woman in a kimono, dragons entangled in a fight, all appear in places, and savvy guides are able to point them out even if you miss them in the darkness of the caves, deliberately kept that way in order to preserve the art. Nearly every cave here is built around a stupa or an idol of the Buddha as the central focus. At Ellora, caves dedicated to Hindu deities as well as Jain Tirthankaras also make an appearance. Everything that you see here has been carved by hand, chiseled by a hammer for over 800 years by thousands of people starting from the 2nd century BCE and with patronage from various Indian kings. At Ellora, one can't help but marvel at the architects and engineers who built these structures. Contemplating rock, imagining the form within and chiseling away for thousands of years to reveal the forms underneath. Among the 34 caves at Ellora, the most magnificent is Kailash Temple, the largest monolithic temple cut into the form you see from top to bottom. The technological wonders that you see here employed thousands of skilled hands for thousands of years, and thousands of years later, the caves continue to serve as the livelihood for many people. But with the pandemic dragging on, the people whose lives are attached to tourism have fallen on hard times.
मैं यहाँ पर अजंता में काम करता हूँ पालकी का, और मेरा जो बिल्ला नंबर है पोर्टर आर्कोलॉजिकल सर्वे ऑफ इंडिया अप्रूव्ड पोर्टर अजंता केस बिल्ला नंबर 9 है मेरा। मैं यहाँ पर पालकी पे काम करता हूँ। मैं अभी यहाँ जब से लॉकडाउन लगा है हमारे पास काम धंधे नहीं है, कुछ नहीं है। अभी जब लॉकडाउन खुला है तो हमें 2 महीने के बाद, कभी 1 हफ्ते के बाद, कभी 1.5 हफ्ते के बाद ऐसा काम लगता है। और हमारे पास ऐसा 10 डोली है कि वो नंबर सिस्टम से चलते हैं, और हमें गवर्नमेंट ने बस खाली लाइसेंस दिया है, मंथली सैलरी नहीं है। तो हमें जब लोग आएंगे तब पालकी में बैठते हैं, तब हम उन्हें पूरा 1 किलोमीटर लेके जाते हैं, सारी गेट जो इम्पोर्टेंट है वो घुमा कर वापस लेके आते हैं। जब टूरिस्ट आएगा तब काम मिलता है मैम, पर अभी टूरिस्ट ही नहीं है तो काम भी नहीं है। अभी जैसा है वैसे चालू है, थोड़ा बहुत गुजारा। और यहाँ का जो किसी ने हमें सपोर्ट नहीं किया, जो लोकल एमएलए वगैरह कुछ नहीं।
Before it was more or less people who were traveling, but this time when we are traveling this time, we saw very good numbers, big crowds. We had gone to Ajanta also. The buses were full, and people are traveling because most of the people have already taken the 2 doses and they are, done with the vaccinations. So I think that's the reason people are going out. There are lots of treasures to be seen in India, and Indian culture is varied and it is supposed to be more explored, should be explored by more people.
And there are many things. You go to any nook and corner of India,
You'll find more.
There is something to experience.